Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve your problem. Problem is that your ChatGPT is not responding uh, of your questions. Just like that, I'm gonna text it, "Hello, how are you? How are you?" And they're gonna respond me like that. So in your problem in your iPhone maybe and your iPad. So you may facing issue that they cannot respond and you're not getting any answer from the ChatGPT. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow the steps to fix your issue. Simply just go back and just go to the settings of your iPhone and to have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. So many users facing issue because they do connect with the VPN. So make sure that you just disconnect VPN from here. Simply just go to the general section and just scroll it down and this option of VPN and device management. Simply just tap on that and just here you just disconnect VPN from here. And after that, simply just tap on reset and just tap on reset and here just reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back again back and simply after that settings, if your problem not gonna solve, simply just go back and go to the main interface and simply just remove the ChatGPT app, move app, and simply just go to the app store. After that, if your ChatGPT is not updated, so make sure that you're using the updated version of ChatGPT in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So just like that, the saying that you just have to update the ChatGPT. So I'm not removing the app because I want to see that there is something updates. So I'm gonna update the ChatGPT from here, and after that your problem gonna solve. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.